Jesus. Hey. Yeah, it's this type of day. Wasn't feeling that great. Oh, yesterday was bad. But I had this corned beef in the refrigerator, and I've been meaning to cook it. So I came downstairs to do it because I didn't want to waste it. So I'm not even using my tripod or anything. I'm just going to show you what I put on this pot. And it's going to be a two-part, okay? I thought about it. I said, oh my God, I got that corned beef in that refrigerator. I have got to cook it, okay? So I'm going to turn the camera to the pot, okay? So I have it in the pressure cooker, and I filled it up with water, and I put that seasons that comes with that. I put that in there, but I like to do this. I like to drop a whole onion in there, and I don't have the fresh parsley. Oh, well, do I? I think I do, but I need both my hands. I'm going to use some thyme, right? You can put celery in if you want, if you have it, or you can use celery seed. I'm going to put a little celery seed, right? And, of course, the parsley. Now, when this is done, I'm going to take that onion out. I'm going to take the corned beef out. Then I'm going to use the broth to do other things. To put the potatoes and the carrots in. I'm going to use a lot of parsley. And make sure when you're doing... I don't feel like great, guys, I tell you. Make sure when you do your corned beef that you fill your pot up. I had this on for a minute. Make sure that you have your water like about up to here. This has been cooking and stuff, right? And the seasoning packet, like I said, is in there. This onion gives it a lot of flavor. Of course, the thyme. This meat is high in sodium. It's very salty. Do not add no salt to there. You can add like your onion powder, your garlic powder, and stuff like that. Use your powders. Do not use salt. You know, I'm telling you, you're going to have a mess on your hand. Nobody going to want to eat it. They're going to be like, damn, she used a lot of salt. But I'm going to take and use powders. Wait a minute. So, I'm going to put a little garlic powder in here. Not a whole lot. And then, this usually cooks for about 4 hours. In this pressure cooker, it's not going to take that long. But I need to make this two-part, okay? Whew. Because I'm not at my best as of yet. So I want to make it two-part. So then, let me put it back on there. So, I'll come back down and I'll prep the cabbage and the carrots. When this meat is done, I'll take it out. And sometimes, you know, if you cook your cabbage in with that meat, you're not going to taste your cabbage. What you're going to taste is corned beef. So I'm going to do a little something different. I mean, some people cook it all in the pot together, which is fine. Depends how bad I feel when I come back on. But I'm about to go upstairs while I'm talking to you now. Oh, Lord, what was I going to say to you? It don't pay to be sick. I forgot what I was going to say to y'all. Oh, well, it'll come back to me. So, wait a minute. Let me turn it back this way. I'm going to go back in here. Wait a minute. Let me see if I pull it out. Wait. Let's see. What did I want to show y'all? Where is it? I want to show you something. Oh, here it is. See that? Put a pinch of that in there. In your cabbage. In your cabbage. Put a pinch of that in there. That's what I wanted to show you. And I got off key. I couldn't remember what it was I was trying to show y'all. So, I am going to go up these stairs. Hold on. Give me a second to get up here. Woo! I'm on the last stair. Oh, my God. Whew. Okay. These stairs ain't no joke. Oh my God. I'm in the penthouse. This is the penthouse. If I had it clean, I'll show it to you. But It's not worthy for y'all to see. But that's the penthouse on my side is not. Arthur's side stay neat. My side is a hot mess. Okay, so I'll go back down and prep the the cabbage and the potatoes and the carrots, right? So I'll be back for that. But if you have fresh thyme, put that in there. It don't really matter, but fresh is always better. So put that in there. Put that whole onion in there, and try to, if you have fresh celery, put about 4 celery stalks in there, because when it's done, you're going to take all that stuff out. You're not going to use it. It just gives the broth a good taste, and I'm winded. So when I get winded, I'm shutting it down, okay? I'll see you guys in a few hours. Hey, Stephanie. I just walked up the stairs. I'm winded. I put corned beef in there that I had. I wasn't feeling great, but I know I had to get that cooked, or else I'd have had to throw it away. And I didn't want to do that. And I just came upstairs and winded, so I'm going to get off. I will be back in about 2 hours, and I'll show you how to do the rest of the corned beef. All right, guys, I got to get off. Bye.